Hi, 10 plus 2 students. This is the mathematical class. Let us start proceeding the exercise 7.2. Integrals. So we are taking question number 32. Integration 1 plus cot x dx. So this can be write down 1 upon में 1 plus cos x upon sin x dx. So 1 upon 1. We are taking LCM sin x. So sin x plus cos x dx. Also write down sin x upon sin x plus cos x dx. So students looking here, cot x change into cos x plus sin x upon sin, and we are taking LCM, we get this terms. And we remember that we multiplied 2 and divided by 2 also here. So this can be written as 1 upon 2 sin x plus cos x and sin minus sin x and minus cos x plus sin x minus cos x. Cos x become cancelled, we get 2 sin x. So 2 sin x can be distributed here in these two terms, and sin x plus cos x dx. Looking here, we also write down sin x plus cos x upon sin x plus cos x dx, and also 1 upon 2 sin x minus cos x upon में sin x plus cos x dx. So we cancel out 1 upon 2 1 into dx plus 1 by 2. We are putting here t sin x plus cos x equal to t. So cos x minus sin x dx equal to dt. So sin x minus cos x dx is equal to minus dt. So this can be written as minus dt upon t. So 1 upon 2 x plus 1 upon 2 log of t, and we are taking minus sign here, plus c. So 1 upon 2 x minus 1 upon 2 log of sin x minus cos x plus c. We get an answers. So looking this question, you do carefully. We are taking question number 32, 33. Integration 1 upon 1 minus tangent x dx. So 1 upon 1 minus sin x upon cos x dx. So taking LCM cos x minus sin x dx. So cos x upon में cos x minus sin x dx. So we multiplied 2 and 2 divided by 2 here. So this can be written as 1 upon 2 cos x plus sin x and plus cos x minus sin x, and also cos x minus sin x dx. We write down these and distributed of two terms. We get cos x plus sin x upon cos x minus sin x dx plus 1 by 2 cos x minus sin x and cos x minus sin x dx. We cancel out and put cos x minus sin x equal to t. So minus sin x minus cos x dx is equal to dt, and sin x plus cos x equal to minus dx minus dt. So this can be written down 1 upon 2 So we are looking here 1 by 2, that is we put the t here, so minus, taking sign here, 1 upon t dt, and 1 upon 2 into dx. So minus 1 upon 2 log of t plus 1 by 2 x plus c, and put the value of t minus 1 upon 2 log, that is cos x minus sin x plus x by 2 plus c. We get an answers. So these two questions are very important questions. So do carefully for examination point of view. So student, do carefully these two questions. Question number 33, 34. Integration root tangent x upon में sin x cos x dx. This can be write down root tangent x upon में sin x upon cos x and cos square x dx. Also write down root tangent x or secant square x dx. Also we write down the 1 upon secant square x dx upon the root tangent x. So put tangent x equal to t, so secant square x dx is equal to dt. So 1 upon root t dt. So t raised power minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 plus c. So 1 2 root t plus c. 2 we are taking the value of t, that is tangent x plus with c. We get an answer. At last we have homework. Do complete exercise 7.2 in fair notebook. That is my today's class. Thanks a lot.